I'll put the most black on. Let's go on my face. Hey everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber. If you don't know me, if you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be doing my casting call for James Charles' reality TV beauty show. And I know a lot of you are thinking, Amber, you're British. But hear me out. If I have the chance to have James Charles set his beautiful eyes on my video just once in my damn life, I'm going to take that opportunity with both hands, jump in with both feet, jump over 20 hurdles and do the high jump 10 times, okay? So here I am, and this is the look that I'm going to produce for you. And James Charles, if you're watching, I love you. And literally, probably every person who saw that was like, oh my god, it's my chance! And then you said that, and then you said US resident, and everybody all over the world except the US was like, that's not fair. Oh my god. Come on, James, just give us what we want. Whatever then, fine, we don't even care. So first I'm going to be using this Primed and Ready by Collection to prime my eyes. I'm using this today because I tried to use the concealer I usually use and it just doesn't work very well with the Juvias Place Zulu palette. While I'm waiting for that to dry, we're going to be going into this orange right here with Juvias Place Zulu palette. Going to dab into this yellow from the exact same palette. And finally, I'm going to hit it with this one. Now that I've finished up with that blending crap, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I'm going to be using this to cut my crease. Oh, I just dropped it. Now that I've finished cutting the crease, I'm just going to dip into the Jeffree Jawbreaker palette. Nearly dropped some, but I caught it and I couldn't even see it. Yellow right here. Also, the reason why I'm using this yellow instead of the Juvias Place yellow is because the Juvias Place just doesn't sit very well on this concealer, which is why I couldn't use it for the base. Next I'm going to take my OFRA single pan in triple black, put some tweezers on it and just stick on there. I'm just going to place this black in the outer corner of my eye and drag that black all the way underneath there too. For my eyeliner, I actually now use Makeup Gallery Pro Liquid Liner, and I got this from the Pound Shop, which is very good. Now you only have to do the outline. This is killing me. We need to work quickly and we need to not blink so much. Then I'm going in with the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer. I'm going to be using this to fill in that liner part that we have created. When I've lined it, this inner bit is still yellow because I haven't messed up so bad. If you mess up, then you just do the concealer all the way to the middle there so you can put a colour on top of it, but I'm a lucky one, okay? So I'm going to take Wow from the Jeffree Jawbreaker palette. Now I'm going to go into Suck here. What the hell is that? Now I have to carefully reline the bits that I messed up. And this is optional. You can give yourself another bit of eyeliner underneath like I have with this one. For my mascara, I'm going to use this Maybelline Lash Sensational Lash Multiplying Mascara. Now that I've finished my eyes, I'm going to do my base and then I'm going to come back for my blush and my lipstick and show you guys what the final look looks like. So I'll see you in a moment. Now that my base is done, I'll be going on to blush. Today I'm going to be using this orange just here since we're going for a orange look. Oh my god, I actually really like the look of that. This is the Moisture Renew lipstick by Rimmel London. It is shade In Love with Ginger. This is too dark, so I'm going to try and mix it with this. I don't even know what this is and I have no idea where I got this from. Damn, I wish I knew the name of these lashes. They're fucking amazing. Makeup Gallery All That Shimmer Eyeshadow Shimmer as my highlight. And now that the highlight is all finished, I am complete with the look. I am so proud of this look. I like this side a lot better than this side, but we all have times in our lives where our sides don't look the same, don't we? So if you enjoyed watching this look, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, share it with your friends, I don't mind. If you really like this video, just send it to James Charles over and over and over and over and over. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this one, then make sure to tune into my video on next Tuesday and I'll see you later. Bye!